All right, friends, it's about to go down. Boat building competition. Everybody's starting to arrive. And you know what's going to happen. We're going to build a boat in 2 days, and then we're going to race them.
This is Lindsay. We built a boat together, along with a few other folks.
Right, it won't row right.
This is Keith, our fearless team captain and professional boat builder.
Wait, did you order the other banana suit?
Steph and Blake, head costume designer and animal carver, respectively.
It's a vibe, baby. It's a vibe.
And yours truly. Not entirely sure why they invited me, but here we are. You see, we had a team of 5 people, and our goal was simple.
And we're going to build a boat in 2 days, and then we're going to race them.
What she said. Now, day 1 was really kind of a soft start. It was a few hours in the evening to allow us to glue our scarf joints together so that we weren't log jammed the next day waiting for glue to dry. But come the morning, we got after it.
I like how we're just like standing here watching them work.
This is what being on a construction cruise is all about.
Totally.
Oh yeah.
Keep doing what you're doing, friends.
You guys are crushing it.
Stay golden. Stay golden.
It was exhausting. And now, with the boat stitched and the gunnels attached, it was time to waterproof the boat. Now, I could sit here and pretend like I know how to build boats, or I know what fiberglassing technique is best, or like I didn't giggle when Keith said breast hook.
Breast hook. Which
The
is
breast
not at all
hook?
sexual in any way.
That is, I didn't even know that, and I was just,
It's a nautical term for you.
I was just boot bending it.
But the truth is, I have no idea how to build a boat. But Keith is a wealth of knowledge on this subject, and being able to work with him and learn from him and put myself in the position of student once again, that's immensely valuable. Learning how and when to use a scarf joint, learning how to stitch a boat together, learning about fairing compound and glassing techniques. Guys, I was like a kid in a candy shop. I love to build new things and put them to use and play and see what happens and experiment and try and fail, and that's That's what this whole thing was about. I had no idea whether this boat was gonna float. I trusted Keith that it probably would, but I didn't know. It was a trial and error situation from my vantage point. It's a joy and a privilege to get to take part in events like this. And to push Keith in a new direction as well. See, Keith had designed our boat around a Viking vessel that was built for speed and agility, but we wanted to build a banana boat because sponsorship opportunities. And then the unthinkable happened.
Good morning. Oh my God, what happened to our boat? What happened? This is what happens when I show up late? What'd you guys do?
They made it more watertight.
I don't understand.
Our boat build had been going so smoothly and so quickly, they felt they didn't have a choice. Sabotage. And then, it was race day.
All right, friends, it's race day. It's about to get wild, and as my team would say, it's about to get bananas. 2 days of boat building, 1 day of racing, and you know we're coming for the gold. Let's do this! Race day!
All right, so currently, this is the way the standings are. In fourth place with 20 points is Riff Raff. The winners are in third place currently with 24 points. The swingers are in second place with 25 points. And the Banana Vikings are in first place with 27 points.
Hey, Mike, with all due respect, sir, we're the sexy Banana Vikings.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
And that, friends, that's how you build a winning boat.
So congratulations, Banana Vikings. Come on out.
Feel like we just won a championship.
Blake, how do you feel?
The World Cup of banana boat.
Till next week.
Swingers!